we have to simplify c raised to power 2 all raised to power 4 and 3 raised to power minus 2 all raised to power 3. Solution. The first one, we have c raised to power 2 all raised to the power of 4. Now to simplify this, we just have to multiply the powers. That is, it gives us c all raised to power 2 times 4. And 2 times 4 here is 8, so we have c raised to power 8. And that gives us the simplified form. The second example, we have 3 raised to power minus 2 all raised to the power of 3. Same thing here, we multiply the powers. This is the same thing as having 3 raised to power minus 2 times 3. And that equals minus 2 times 3 minus 6. Then applying the law on negative powers, this can be simplified further as 1 over 3 raised to power 6. And this gives us the simplified form in index form. Thank you.